Many foreign buyers make one big mistake. They focus only on yield. A property showing 8% return may look attractive, but is it really cheap? How do you know if the price is fair? Can you inspect the area yourself? Is the location truly strong? Will banks finance this property easily? Can you sell it later? These questions matter far more than simple yield. In Japan, older buildings may offer high returns, but they may also come with higher maintenance costs, poor resale value, limited financing options, and hidden repair risks. Smart investors ask, is this property easy to buy and easy to sell? They also think bigger. Can I expand nearby later? Can this become a scalable strategy? Real estate investing is not just about buying income. It's about buying the right asset. In Japan, focusing only on yield can become a very expensive mistake.